Hi, my name is Jose, and I will explain my detailed part of the project that I work. So my specific contribution to the project, there are three. One is in the Python, the other is in the Robotorium. I have minimum place there, but I help my other teammates in that, and in the Unity. So, mm, the main thing that I was working is Python, and I will share. Well, I was testing a few things, like the agents, like the car. Specifically the car, I don't work in the bus. This is a previous code that I was working. This is not the final code because this is where I was more involved. The new code were the code that it was the main code have a lot of changes and like a amalgama of changes of one teammate, another teammate, and mine. So I will explain in this code what I did. Here I implement, let me check, in dev update a randomizer. Well, not a randomizer, but a car spawner. We see that in this line, we have a counter of 10, 10 steps of the car to appear a new car, like spawn the main car. The main car have 10 steps, then a new car spawns. And that this is what I implement, and I was very stressful about this because we need to avoid collisions in this case. So I was uh, analyzing all the edges and the positions of the card, so I needed to modify some positions to avoid collisions with the new spawned cars. This is an step counter, and well, this is 5 passes, but this means 10. It's an interval of a spawn. So when we run the program, we see that new car spawn and new node, no, 155 with a path to 154. And we saw that the path of the main cars and the path of the uh, newest new spawned cars. In the final code, we don't implement this because of mm, falta de tiempo, but this is one of the many ideas that we can improve the project in the future. So the other thing that I help with my teammates, it was the repertory system. I give some ideas and some notes because with my teammate Jose Guerrero and my teammate Andres, we were thinking of what coordinates are going to use. We failed in the Robotorium a lot of time, but we had 5 chances. But in that 5 chances, me and other teammates was helping to think and how to improve the way of the two agents and how to avoid collisions. And the other thing was the Unity assets. I was checking what assets of Unity need to use. In code, I wasn't involved, but in the assets, yes. So I was looking for the needs of my team, like type of cars, Uh, I, this is not here. Is here my assets. What kind of buildings, etc. I am looking here. I have here in favorites. This is the type of assets that we implement. And when I was searching this, I think that this is the best representation of a city because we can use assets that are not similar, that does not have similar graphics. And this is, well, an ideal way to represent the city. We have natures, vehicles, buildings, simple pole city, props, roads. The roads are more important that we used. The stadium also we use that. We use some buildings, some trees, etc. And that was, well, I have more. The main here. I made the iteration model of how the people is going to use the agent bus station and the bus agent. I made some user stories and I was in charge of this. Let me check. Let me check where I put this. Here, I was in charge of the project management. Let me open it. And it was a little difficult to use this, but I was registering all the tasks in this. Let me check the backlog and well, the project is end. We had 25 working days and we saw here that like that, that all the tasks are complete. So we have achieved everything. And this is the main thing that I was involved and I did in the project.